Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only. Please do not attempt this procedure at home. Always seek professional dental care for any oral health concerns. Once tartar has formed, no toothbrush, floss, or mouthwash can remove it. It becomes firmly attached to the tooth surface and requires a professional dental cleaning to eliminate. While some over-the-counter products claim to remove tartar, none can break down its hardened, mineralized structure once it has fully developed. And that's where dental professionals come in. There are two main techniques used by dentists and hygienists for removing tartar. The first is manual scaling, where a professional carefully cleans the tooth surface and gum line using specialized tools. The second is ultrasonic scaling, which uses gentle vibrations to loosen tartar buildup while a stream of water rinses it away. Afterward, the teeth are often polished to smooth the enamel, making it more resistant to future plaque buildup. The best approach, however, is prevention. Maintaining a consistent oral care routine is key. Brushing twice a day, especially before bedtime, helps remove plaque before it hardens. Using a fluoride toothpaste strengthens enamel, while anti-tartar formulas with ingredients like pyrophosphates or zinc citrate can slow down the mineralization process that leads to tartar formation. Flossing is equally essential, as it reaches areas your toothbrush can't. Doing it daily disrupts the thin biofilm that leads to tartar in those tight, hidden spaces. Mouthwash can also help, particularly antibacterial rinses that reduce plaque-forming bacteria. Still, mouthwash works best as part of a full oral care routine, not a replacement for brushing or flossing. Regular dental checkups are another major defense. Most professionals recommend a cleaning every 6 months, though some people may need it more often. Routine visits also help identify early signs of tartar buildup before it becomes a serious issue. You might have seen natural methods online, such as using baking soda, vinegar, or oil pulling. While baking soda can gently remove surface stains, it doesn't remove hardened tartar. Vinegar is acidic and can weaken enamel if misused, and oil pulling, while soothing for some, hasn't been proven to dissolve tartar either. Looking forward, science continues to innovate. Researchers are exploring enzymatic rinses that may prevent plaque from hardening, laser tools for more comfortable cleanings, and even oral probiotics that encourage healthy bacteria and reduce plaque buildup. Tartar might seem harmless at first, but over time, it silently impacts oral health. The good news? It's completely preventable. With proper hygiene, regular dental visits, and awareness of how tartar forms, you can keep your smile clean, bright, and healthy for years to come.